Okay, let's take a look at what's called an absolute value equation. And for an absolute value equation, of course, you're going to be looking for an absolute value, then the equal sign. And the goal here is to get the absolute value isolated first. So again, we want the absolute value on one side of the equation by itself. So since there's a minus sign here, I'm going to move it to the other side to make it positive, and I'm going to move the 5 over this way. So I'm going to add the absolute value of x plus 6 to both sides. And I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. Okay, the 5's will cancel on the right side. On the left side, the absolute value is gone. 12 minus 5 is 7 equals the absolute value of x plus 6. Now, at this point, once you have your absolute value isolated, all absolute value problems have to be broken into two separate problems. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to take the x plus 6, take it out of the absolute value, and just set it equal to the other side, 7. Now the other equation that you have to solve, you take the absolute value off again, and then you take the opposite of what's over here. So if it's 7, we now put negative 7. And now what you need to do is solve both of these. So here we subtract 6 from both sides, and you get x equals 1. On the other side, you're going to subtract 6 from both sides, and you get x equals negative 13. So for this absolute value equation, the two solutions are 1 and negative 13.